CHGG stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Chegg stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1 minute video. Generally looking at this, 171 is great price. It's been just pumping very religiously lately, and if I come here, you will see that this is actually a great call out that I got on the sales on this lower time frame, like at 87 cents level when it was like a month ago, made, you know, 30th of May, almost 2. And then after that, it delivered to like 190. Was looking to take it up higher, but never gave me a double break. Pulled down. I could have just doubled down so good in this, would have been up, but I kind of missed out, which is fine, that is going to happen. But now in this case, here's my demand zone. And only if I do see the price pulling down and giving me a double break, then and only then I would look to take it further up. Other than that, this is all pure noise. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.